Hey everyone, Jason here from California Car Mechanics. Want to know why I'm replacing $30,000 engines with only 60,000 miles? These 5 habits are killing modern engines, and the worst part, most drivers think they're normal. Let me show you what I see every day in my shop. Low RPM driving, the silent engine killer. Modern engines aren't designed to consistently run below 1,500 RPM. I'm seeing catastrophic failures from what people think is babying their engine. At low RPMs, oil pressure drops by up to 40%. Your bearings, cams, and critical components, they're starving for lubrication. Direct injection engines suffer even more. We're seeing 87% more carbon deposits. Just charged a customer $1,200 for carbon cleaning that could have been avoided. Keep it between 1,500 to 4,000 RPM. If your engine's struggling, downshift. The expensive myth of engine braking. When you aggressively downshift instead of using brakes, you're creating force spikes up to 300% higher than normal. Those transmission components, they're not designed for that stress. I replaced 3 transmissions last month, all from excessive engine braking. Average cost, $3,800. Compare that to brake pads at $300. Use those brake pads, that's literally what they're for. Long downhills? Sure, occasional engine braking is fine, but as your primary braking method, you're burning money. The quarter tank rule. Your fuel pump depends on fuel for cooling and lubrication. Running below quarter tank raises pump temperature by 30 degrees Fahrenheit, cutting its lifespan in half. The real killer? That sediment at the bottom contains 400% more contaminants than mid-tank fuel. Every low fuel run forces your pump to suck up that crud. Result? A $1,200 repair bill that could have been avoided. Think of your fuel gauge as a warning light. Quarter tank means fill up time. The transmission killer. Movement. Shifting. That roll from reverse to drive. It's creating impact. Forces 3 times higher than normal. Modern transmissions, remember every hit, 6 months of movement shifting reduces transmission life by 40%. A new transmission costs $7,000 installed. All to save half a second? Come to a complete stop before shifting. Simple habit, thousands saved. High gear lugging, the modern engine destroyer. Those 8 to 10-speed transmissions are amazing, but they've created a new problem. Accelerating in too high a gear creates bearing stress equivalent to racing conditions. Our load tests show this reduces bearing life by 70%. Don't be afraid of lower gears, they exist for a reason. Use them when you need power. You know what keeps me up at night? These aren't just repairs. There's someone's hard-earned money being wasted. Most failures I see could have been prevented with simple habits. Hit subscribe for more real-world maintenance tips. Drop a comment about which habit surprised you most. I read every comment. Take care of your engine, and it'll take care of you.